Looking for a way to elevate your Christmas celebration? Let's delve into the world of elegant eggnog desserts. This holiday staple isn't just for sipping. Its creamy, spiced flavor can transform your festive spread into a culinary wonderland. Today, we'll guide you through the process of creating delectable eggnog desserts. Before we begin, gather all the ingredients you'll need. For this creamy eggnog dessert, we'll need 2 cups of premium eggnog, 3 large eggs, half a cup of sugar, and your usual baking essentials like flour and baking powder. With all the ingredients at hand, we're ready to start baking. The process of making eggnog desserts is straightforward and fun. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While our oven is warming up, we'll mix our ingredients. Combine the sugar, butter, and eggs in a large bowl, whisking until they're creamy and smooth. Then, we'll stir in the eggnog, vanilla, and nutmeg for that signature holiday flavor. Next, gradually add the flour and baking powder, ensuring each addition is fully incorporated before adding the next. Once our batter is ready, we'll pour it into our prepared baking dish and smooth the top with a spatula. It's time to bake. Place the dish in the preheated oven and bake for about 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once done, remove the dessert from the oven and allow it to cool completely. And there you have it, a mouth-watering eggnog dessert, perfect for your Christmas celebration. This creamy delight is sure to elevate your Christmas celebration. The simplicity of this elegant eggnog dessert is matched only by its delicious outcome, making it the perfect addition to your festive table. We encourage you to don your apron, start your mixer, and dive into the world of baking. Feel free to experiment, add your own twist, and create a dessert that's uniquely yours. Remember, the kitchen is your playground. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delightful recipes. Happy baking!